Hi everyone, this is Sam Creative the Heart, and I'm here to share a haul. So I have been hauling some things, be sharing that with you in a couple of videos. I think it's going to be at least 2 videos. Let me go ahead and get started. So the first is the birthday sort of gift that you can get from Lawn Fawn. So if you have an account with Lawn Fawn and you put in your birthday month, you're able to, with purchase, you'll get a free mini stamp set and die and 10% off their store. So when you order from them, you also get some sheets of paper. So they send me 3 sheets of their Lawn Fawn paper. They have this cute little note that says Happy Birthday, Cindy on there. And then you've got some twine that you could totally reuse, which I absolutely will. So you have to buy something in order to qualify for the free gift. So I did buy these little mini ones. I bought this little dragon one with die. I bought this little tiny fairy tale and then the die. So then with the freebie, I got this cute little kangaroo. It comes with the die. It says hop hop hooray, but also in the little happy birthday, it says happy birthday to Roo. So then you can use that stamp set with your freebie. So I think that is super cool. Anybody who watches my channel knows I love Lawn Fawn and I have a ton of it. So I usually buy it from the Not Too Shabby shop, which is the next thing that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, is the Not Too Shabby shop. I do order quite a bit from Jamie, and so let me go. This is actually 2 orders put into one. She's been having $35 free shipping, plus you earn points towards free items that you can get in her store, which I don't think I used any free ones here. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what I got. So I did get this watermelon washi. I don't know. I just really liked it. So I got it. I got this Flutter by Anya. So she's a butterfly Anya. I think she's adorable. And then I got this cute little llama, which I think would go really cute with the Doodlebug paper that I got. And then the CC Designs had some really cute stamp sets. They have this one that's like a Snow White and one that is a Cinderella. And I love my CC Designs. So I got that. And then the papers. Oh, here's an old Doodle Pop that I got with this, which I'm going to use with this cute Hey Cupcake paper. So I got the Hey Cupcake kind of girl-oriented paper. Apparently I got 2 of them, so I'm going to be Hey Cupcaking up. And I got the latest Land That I Love. Even though I didn't do a lot with the 4th of July, I really love the red, white, and blue colors together. It's just really a nice combo. So I did get that. And with my love of slimline cards, I wrote down and got this pricey sucker. This one's like, I think, $29.95 or something to that effect. It's pretty expensive, but I do make a lot of slimline cards, like this one, which I'll be kind of sharing in a later video. So I do love my slimlines. So I have a bunch of slimline stuff that I really do need to bust out. The only problem with buying new stuff is then I have to put it all away. So I need to get better at doing that for sure. You know, kind of suck at that. So I also have 2 La La Land. I actually have a 3rd one that I've colored and cut out. I just need to put some projects together, which I'm going to share with you. This one, I believe, is June. And I love her. She is reading on like the beach or at the pool. Love that. I am a school librarian, so that I absolutely love. I've been doing a lot of Kindle reading lately, even though I've got a couple of real live books, hardcover books ready for me to read. And these come with cute little piggies, and I will do a full-on share of this when I make my projects, but these are ones I just have to work on. And then this is the latest one, which is July, and it's like a safari one. And this one has really cute dies, so I can't wait to share those with you when I make projects. That's usually when I share the whole shebang. So I have bought 2 kits. I am absolutely freaking in love with Tailored Expressions kits. They're amazing. So this kit, usually like when you buy something from Tailored Expressions, they give you like a little freebie, like it could be a little stamp set. It could be like a little die. So one of these that I bought comes with this like little die. So it's like a little mini tag die, it looks like. So that's adorbs. So they did send me that. Let's do a later one. So this one, it's funny because I do love all things bees, but for some reason I also love things barn. So I don't know why that is. But this is a kit they had last month and actually a couple weeks ago. It came when I was on vacation with my kids, and then I went on vacation without my kids, and you know, hung out with my gentleman friend, and so this one came recently. So both these came recently. I just haven't had time to work on them. You know, that's basically what I'm trying to say. So this is a Farm Fresh kit. You get all this stuff. I think it's just really, really fun. I like storing everything in the kit, even though there are items in here that I think are not necessarily you have to use for a kit. One of them, of course, is these stencil strips to make grass. So they all sort of, you can layer them and stencil, and you can get all kinds of different looks. So I'm really starting to explore stencils more. I think that's kind of my new gig. That and slimline cards are my favorite things. So you get envelopes, which is really fun because you get colored envelopes. I think that's fun. You also get, where are they? You also get these little seals, which I think are cute. So I need to send some things out. And so this kit comes with the gingham checked background. I also have this one, which has a bunch of sentiments, and then it has a little barn, which I think is cute. Also, my La La Land kit that I'm working on right now has a die cut barn, which is super fun. I think it'd be really cute with this too. But it has really cute sentiments. To the coolest chick, sorry I missed your birthday. It's an utter birthday. Thanks for being neighborly. You're kind of a big deal. Really cute. And then the main thing is these super cute Farm Fresh critters. So the bodies come apart from the heads so that you, if you would like, you could put these little wobblies on the heads and make them shake, which is super fun. So here you go. And you also get a fence, and then you get the dies that cut out everything separately. So that is really fun. I think it's super cute. I love the packaging and everything. It's just my new jam is these little kits. They're not cheap. This one is cheaper than the rainbow one, I think. I can't remember how this one is. I know this one was like 50-ish. Get a lot, though. I love these big bags, and I'm just going to have tons of these bags everywhere. This is the brand new one. It's Baby, It's Cold Outside. And this one is just also adorable. So, hey, crafty friends. This is the Frosty kit to celebrate Christmas in July. So with this one, you also get the fun envelopes with the cute seals. Let's see, we'll go into this first, which is the Frosty background clear combo. So what you get is you get the full-on background stamp, but then you also get a clear piece that you can use for the insides of the hats to make them all look different, to do your nose. If you don't want to color the nose, you want to stamp the nose, you could do that. A piece for the cheeks, you get some snowflakes, and you get the body in case you want to cut the head out and make something with an actual full-on snowman. Really, really cute. I love, 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 love that idea. So some of the other things that you get is you get some sentiments with some snowflakes, and then you get this sentiment strip duo with 2 different types of ends that those will fit on, supposing so that they will fit on there. And then you get the die for the body of the snowman and a die for the head, so that you could create things with a full Frosty, not just a head. So that's kind of cool. You also get these snowflakes, which are kind of bendable. They're more like, it feels like a vinyl maybe through here, so that's kind of nice. And then you get this stencil. So this stencil is made to fit over the snowman stamp set, so that you can stamp the stamp set and then place the die and place the stencil in such a way over what you just stamped and stencil without getting on your little snowman heads. So that's I think that's a pretty cool idea too. So that is this kit, which is the Baby It's Cold Outside kit. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Praying with the Heart.